Okay, so boring machines. So today we are going to see boring machines. So first of all, boring operations. What is meant by boring operations? So this is one of the pictorial representation of boring machine. Here you can observe that we have an already existing drilled hole, right? So we have a old bore in the sense existing drilled hole. We are going to enlarge the old bore, right? So இருக்கிற existing hole நம்ம enlarge பண்றோம். This is called boring process, right? So new bore அப்படின்றது existing hole, old bore அப்படின்றது new bore அப்படின்றது enlarge, அதாவது ஒரு new hole, I mean இருக்கிற existing hole enlarge பண்றது. Old bore in the sense it is a existing hole, right? So here we use single point cutting tool, right? Here we are going to use single point cutting tool to enlarge existing hole. So the tool single point cutting tool is connected with the boring bar, right? So boring bar, the tool is rotated, right? So boring is the process of enlarging an existing drilled holes with a single point cutting tool. So the definition of boring, it is the process of enlarging an existing drilled hole. So we already make a hole, so that existing hole is enlarged. Existing hole is enlarged with the help of single point cutting tool. Then we say it's a boring process, right? So boring operations can be performed on engine lathe, right? So as I said, horizontal boring machine is similar to lathe machine, the construction wise. Some modifications are there, but generally it is a similar type. So boring we can do with the help of engine lathe. Similarly, drilling also. But so difference between boring and turning. So boring is an operation of enlarging inside diameter of an existing hole. So we can say it's an inside operation. So boring அப்படின்றது ஆல்ரெடி இருக்கிற ஹோல்ல நான் enlarge பண்றதுக்கு, அது inside diameter enlarge பண்றேன். So the same, right? So turning is an operation of reducing outside diameter of a cylinder. So cylinder outside diameter reduce பண்றதுக்கு we are using turning, right? ரொம்ப simple. So for example, I have a cylindrical rod, right? So 10 units of cylindrical rod, I am going to reduce the diameter 10 mm வந்து 9 mm பண்ண அப்படினா I can say it's a turning. So I have a 10 mm hollow sections. So inside வந்து 10 mm, outside வந்து 12 mm. So I have a hollow ஒரு pipe இருக்கு, hollow pipe. I am going to enlarge the hollow section. The 10 mm 11 கொண்டு போறேன் அப்படினா boring. ரெண்டுமே ஒரே process தான். So where we are giving first we give the depth of cut கொடுத்துட்டு கான்ஸ்டன்ட்டா வச்சிட்டு ஃபீட மட்டும் வேரி பண்ணிட்டே வரோம். So we can get the shape. அதுவே outsideல பண்ணோம்னா we say it's a turning, insideல பண்ணோம் அப்படினா we say it's a boring. So in effect, boring is an internal turning operation. If the workpiece has a small அப்படினா we can do boring with the help of engine lathe itself. Engine lathe-லயே நம்ம workingல பண்ணிடலாம், ரைட்டா? ஸோ என்ன பண்ணுவோம் அப்படின்னா, இன்ஸ்டெட் ஆஃப் ட்ரில்லிங் நம்ம ட்ரில் பிட்டை வந்து டெயில் ஸ்டாக்ல மாட்டுவோம் லேத்தில். ஸோ இங்கே என்ன பண்ணுறோம் அப்படின்னா, போரிங் டூலை வந்து டெயில் ஸ்டாக்ல மாட்டிட்டு அந்த டெயில் ஸ்டாக்கை வி கேன் மூவ், கைட் வேஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணி மூவ் பண்ணுறோம். ஒர்க் பீஸில் ஸ்பிண்டில் ஒர்க் பீஸ் இருக்கும். ஸோ ரொட்டேட் ஆச்சு அப்படின்னா உள்ள இன்டர்னலில் வச்சுட்டு டேர்னிங் பண்ணலாம். ஸோ வி கேன் டூ. பட் ஆனால் எப்போ நம்ம வி கோ வித் போரிங் மெஷின் இந்த சென்ஸ் we cannot hold லேத்தில் வந்து we know அந்த சக்கு வந்து ஒரு பர்டிகுலர் அமௌண்ட் ஆஃப் டயமீட்டர் ஒர்க் பீஸ் தான் ஹோல்ட் பண்ண முடியும். If you go with drilling, அதுலயும் table size வந்து it's a limited constraint one, right? So boring, it's an enlargement of an accelerating hole. So boring machine, it is used to bore holes in large and heavy parts such as engine frame, steam engine cylinders, machine housing, etc. Right? So when we go boring machine in the sense, if the workpiece is a large or heavy parts, right? So practically nowadays instead of boring they use casting to produce the product. So casting they will make, right? So but sometimes on the porosity holes making idella avoid pandradhukku we use machining also, right? So when practically impossible to hold and rotate in an engine lathe or drilling machines, so workpiece வந்து நம்ம practically hold பண்ண முடியாது, லேத்லயும் சரி ட்ரில்லிங்லயும் பண்ண முடியல அப்படின்னா we go with boring machine. For other operations such as drilling, reaming, phasing, milling, threading, turning, grinding and gear cutting by using simple attachments. So boring machineல வெறும் boring மட்டும் தான், enlarge மட்டும் தான் ஹோல்ட் பண்ண முடியுமா அப்படின்னா not like that. We can do drilling, milling, threading, turning, grinding, gear cutting எல்லாமே பண்ணலாம். But we require some attachment, ஒரு special attachment இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா we can use. right? This is like add-on, right? So ஏதாவது ஒரு யூஸ் பண்ண போறோம் அப்படின்னா ஒரு add-on இருந்துச்சுன்னா யூஸ் பண்ற மாதிரி, right? So we have a variety of boring machines. One is a horizontal boring machine, second one is a vertical boring machine, precision boring machine, jig boring machine, right? Horizontal, vertical, precision, jig. So horizontal, today we are going to discuss only horizontal boring machines. So in that we have 4 types: table type, planet type, floor type, multiple head type, right? So the horizontal vertical, so which means the rotation of tool, right? If the tool is rotated about horizontal axis, then we say horizontal boring machine. For example, lathe la rotation, spindle rotation வந்து it's a horizontal. So இங்கேயும் ஒர்க் பீஸ் டூல் வந்து நம்ம ஹரிசாண்டலா ரொட்டேட் பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா we say horizontal boring machine. If the tool is rotates about the vertical axis, in other way y axis, so then we say it's a vertical boring machine. So one of the example is drillingல tool வந்து vertically rotate ஆகும், right? So horizontal boring machines. So horizontal boring machine, the work is supported on a table which is stationary and the tool revolves in a horizontal axis. So very simple. Horizontal boring machine அப்படினா work வந்து is supported on the table, right? So work is supported on the table and it is a stationary one. So work வந்து ஏனா it's a heavy piece, heavy work piece தான் நம்ம பண்ண போறோம். Heavy work piece we cannot rotate or we cannot move very easily. So generally it is in stationary position. So steady ஆ இடத்துல நிக்கும். The tool moves in a horizontal axis. So tool பாத்தீங்க அப்படினா it will move in a horizontal axis as well as it will also rotate. Alright, so horizontal rotate ஆகும். அதான் வந்து horizontal boring machine. So there are variety of parts we have. So in next slide we are going to see the parts of the horizontal boring machine. Here some of the points are listed. One is the bed, hence head supporting column, headstock supporting column, end supporting column, headstock, saddle and table, boring bars. So these are the some main parts in horizontal boring machines, right? So this is one of the 2D diagram. So this is exactly the horizontal boring machine. So this is the horizontal boring machine, one of the example, right? So here we have a, right, so we have a bed, right? So I hope my cursor is visible, right? So this is my bed or base. In above bed or base we have a table, right? So in the table you can observe that we have a T slots over there, T slots. So the base is the two sides of the base we have a column, vertical structures we have a column. So in the vertical structures தான் column சொல்றோம். One is the headstock supporting column, other one is the end supporting column. So ஏன் headstock supporting column சொல்றோம்னா this column is used to hold headstock. So the headstock can move. Lathe la headstock move agadu, it's a stationary, but horizontal boring machine it can move. So it depends on the size or shape of the workpiece, we can move up and down. Headstock can move up and down with the help of headstock supporting column, right? So we have a spindle, in that we have a quill, right? Q-U-I-L, quill. We have a quill. It is one of the internal part in spindle. It is used to connect a boring bar, right? So quill. So in other end we have end supporting column. The boring bar is connected to the end supporting column. So boring bar is the rotating element. So to prevent the rotation movement கொடுக்கணும், we need to provide the rotary motion in end supporting column. So we use bearing, right? So bearing la connect பண்ணி bearing வந்து end supporting column la connect பண்ணிக்கலாம், right? So இதுதான் horizontal boring machine ஓட exact drawing. So work piece இதுக்கு மேல hold பண்ணிட்டு spindle rotate பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா இந்த boring bar rotate ஆகும். இந்த boring barல tool rotate connect பண்ணிட்டு so the tool rotate ஆக ஆரம்பிச்சிடும், right? So we can adjust end supporting and then headstock supporting. Headstock யும் end supporting நம்ம adjust பண்ணலாம் based on our workpiece size and shape, right? So இதான் bed, right? Bed, headstock supporting column, end supporting column. We have a T slots. So T slots, இந்த T slots வந்து எப்படி, I mean இந்த table வந்து movement பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா with the help of saddle. Saddle அப்படின்றது again நம்ம ஏற்கனவே பார்த்திருப்போம் lately, saddle. So we have a saddle, it provides the motion, right? So linear motion, transfer motion வந்து provide பண்ணும் saddle, right? Okay, so this is one of the 2D drawing, right? Okay, so number one is a headstock. So in the square piece it's a headstock. It's similar to our lathe. The second one is a counterbalance, right? So we have a balancing. So இந்த பேலன்சிங் எதுக்காக பண்றோம் அப்படின்னா, ஸோ நம்ம ஹெவி ஒர்க் பீஸை ஹோல்ட் பண்ணி அதில் டூல் அப்ளை பண்ணுறோம். ஸோ the stress and vibrations occur ஆகுது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ரொம்ப ஹையாக இருக்கும். In order to avoid this, we use some boring and balancing. So we have a balancing, counter balancing. The three is a headstock elevating screw, right? So this part is a headstock elevating screw. So with the help of headstock elevating screw, the headstock will move, right? So 4 is the boring head. So 4 is the boring head. 4 is the boring head, and then we have a boring cutter and boring bar, right? So we have a boring cutter. So idan boring cutter, it boring bar. Boring bar la boring cutter count pannirkom. The sixth one is the workpiece. The hatched part is the workpiece. So it is mounted on the table, right? Number 11, table, right? So we have a 10 abindrathu again, it's a cross light as well as saddle. Alright, so cross lights, it provides the crosswise movement, saddle provides the longitudinal movement, right? So the boring bar is connected with the bearing, right? Bearing block. So bearing connect pannirkom, that is connected with the 7 end supporting column. So இதான் வந்து ஒரு construction of horizontal boring machines, right? So we will see one by one. So bed. So the bed is the part of the machine which is fitted on the floor of the shop and has a box like casting. The bed supports the columns, table and the other parts of the machine. So bed அப்படின்றது it is fitted on the floor, right? It is fitted on the floor. It is like a box casting. So it's the same thing. It's like a box casting. So it carries the column and table and other parts of the machine. It must withstand all the force and vibration. It will act as the reservoir for lubricants. So நம்ம cutting fluids use பண்றப்ப it will collect and then it will recirculate, right? So it's a bed. So we have a 2 column. One is a headstock supporting column, other one is a end supporting column. The column supports the headstock and guides it up and down accurately by the gateways provided on the face of the column. So headstock supporting column அப்படின்றது இந்த பெட்டுக்கு மேல ஒரு சைடுல இருக்கும். It has a gateways, right? It has gateways. So headstock can move up and down with the help of gateways, right? Gateways provide பண்ணிருக்கோம். அதான் headstock supporting column. The end supporting column is situated at the other end of the bed, right? So it is situated at the other end of the bed. And the bearing block for supporting long boring bar, right? So the bearing block இருக்கும். So the bearing block என்ன பண்ணும் அப்படின்னா it supports the rotating boring bar ஓட supports இங்க இருக்கும் bearing bar. The column may be adjusted on the sideways of the bed towards or away from the spindle for supporting different length of boring bar, or it may be moved at right angles to the spindle as in the case of floor type machines, right? So column அப்படின்னு ஒன்று இருக்கும். இந்த column வந்து we can adjust நம்ம differentiate பண்ணிக்கலாம் if it is a floor type இருந்தா, right? Not like a table type, right? The headstock. The headstock mounted on the column supports, drives and feeds the tool. So headstock அப்படின்றது columnsல ஒரு endல இருக்கும். It has a drives and then feeds. The spindle revolves with the quill, right? So the quill ஒரு attachment இருக்கும். It is connected with the spindle. The quill is used to connect boring bar, right? It's like a tool holding, right? It's like a tool holding. The spindle provides a rotary movement to the tool. The spindle provides a rotary movement of the tool. The quill may be moved longitudinally to provide feed movement of the boring bar, right? So the quill use பண்ணி நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னா நம்ம longitudinal movements we can provide. The headstock and the end supporting bearing block are raised or lowered in unison by the help of screws. So with the help of screw we can adjust, right? The next part is saddle and the table. So the table supports the work and is therefore provided with the T-slots, right? So table அப்படின்றது supports the work and therefore provided with the T-slots. So table la பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா we have a T-slots. So with the help of T-slots, T-bolt use பண்ணி நம்ம clamp பண்ணி hold பண்ணுவோம், right? We have a boring bar. It supports the cutter for boring operations on jobs having a large bore diameter, right? So boring bar அப்படின்றது ஒரு long rod தான். It is supported by the 2 columns, namely headstock supporting column and end supporting column, and the boring bar, the cutter is connected to the boring bar, right? So again, in boring work remains stationary and tool is rotated. So I said clearly. So boring machine பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் horizontal boring இதை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் table work piece வந்து stationary இருக்கும். It can move but ஆனா stationary one. Tool is rotated, right? So நம்ம எப்படி லேத்ல பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா work piece revolve ஆகும், tool move ஆகும், stationary it move. It is vice versa, மாறி வரும். இங்க tool rotate ஆகுது. headstockல நம்ம இங்க boring bar மாட்டிட்டு நம்ம மாற்றோம். Tail crosswise, I mean carriage bar, here we using table. So boring work remains stationary and tool is rotated. Multiple holes may be bored one after other by changing the position of the workpiece. Right, so we can make a multiple holes or multiple enlargement we can do by the aligning the various by aligning the tool as well as workpiece. To bore a hole, the boring bar is fitted to the spindle and the cutter is adjusted in the boring bar to the required dimension and the light cut is then taken. So boring பண்றப்ப boring bar எந்த இடத்துல enlarge பண்ணமோ அங்க tool adjust பண்ணிட்டு we start the spindle rotate ஆகும் and then we will give the feed. In boring machine for milling operations, so we can do the milling operations. So milling operation பண்ணோம் அப்படினா என்ன பண்ணுவோம் அப்படினா we use milling cutter use பண்ணுவோம். So separate attachments are required to do this process. So facing cutter may be used for measuring the flat vertical surface. For face milling operation, the tool or work may be fed to complete the cut. So for face milling பண்றதுக்கு tool work இதுல ஏதாவது ஒன்னு மாறி fit பண்ற மாதிரி இருக்கும். This is what horizontal boring machine. So types of horizontal boring machine we saw we have a 3 type: table, floor, so and then multiple gate. So table type. So this is table type. So previously we saw this same one, table type. Right, so this is the table type oda pictorial representations. So in 2D this is a table type. We have a bed from bottom itself we have a bed. In bed the two sides are connected with the columns. One is a headstock supporting column, another one is a end supporting column. The headstock supporting column is connected with the headstock, it can move up and down. End supporting column is connected with the bearing block. Right, so the spindle it is attached to the coil. So இங்க இருந்து ஒரு boring bar இருக்கும், இது கனெக்ட் பண்ணிடுவோம். So the table க்கு மேல we have a saddle and then bed. So bed க்கு மேல we have a saddle and then table. So bed ன்றது stationary. So table அப்படின்றது we have a T slots, ஒரு piece hold பண்ணலாம். அதோட மூவ்மென்ட்க்கு we use saddle. So இதெல்லாம் front viewல we are going to draw like this. So this is a bed, headstock supporting column, end supporting column, headstock and then bearing block, saddle, table. Right, so table type horizontal boring machines. The work is mounted on the table which is adjusted and the feed is given by the hand or power lengthwise or crosswise with respect to the bed of the machines. So the work is mounted on the table. Right, so workpiece வந்து டேபிள்ல மவுண்ட் பண்ணிருக்கோம், which is adjustable and the feed is given by the hand or power lengthwise or crosswise. So we can give the feed manually or power operated, or we can give the lengthwise or crosswise with respect to the bed of the machine. The headstock may be adjusted vertically on the column and the spindle has a horizontal feed motion. So again headstock can be adjusted up and down. The table and saddle headstock may be adjusted by lead screw using micrometer lathe. So we have a lead screw in lathe. We have a lead screw to make a threading process, right? So we have a lead screw. So ஒரு lead screw நம்ம engage பண்ணிட்டோம் அப்படின்னா threading பண்ணுவோம். Here the lead screw is used to movement, right? Movement of table, saddle and then headstock. And we have a micrometer dial, so the requirement how much we need to move அப்படின்றத we can easily measure. So this type of machine is suitable for general purpose work and other operations are required to be performed. So this is what table type. So next type பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா it's a floor type. Okay, so difference பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா table type we have a constant bed, right? So the bed is placed over the factory floor space, right? Floorல இருக்கும். We have a two columns, end column, some program. So here floor type la pathomna we don't have a separate bed. Instead of bed we have a floor plate, right? So it is a floor plate. The floor plate ku mela we have a runway. The runway la the headstock will move as well as we have a end supporting column also we have runway la irukum aduvum move agirum. Okay, so this is for table type la the boring for length pathinga appadina it's a constant one, but here we can adjust because it's a runway, it can move. So floor type we have instead of bed we have a floor plate, right? So floor plate ku mela we have a runway. The runway use panni the columns move பண்ணிக்கிறோம். So end supporting column it is connected with the floor plate. Headstock supporting columns have a runway, so it can adjust it, right? It can adjust பண்ணிக்கலாம். We have a column and base. So again the same principle, headstock இருக்கும், spindle இருக்கும், coil இருக்கும், boring bar வந்து நம்ம கனெக்ட் பண்ணிக்கிறோம். So here we have a bearing blocks. So table type or floor type similar, both are similar. Only difference is in floor type we have a floor plate instead of bed. Similarly, we have a 2 runways, right? So 2 runway இருக்கும் அதுல மூவ் ஆற மாதிரி இருக்கும் columns, right? So this machine having no table, uses stationary floor plate on which T slots are provided to hold the work. So we don't have a table, separate table irukadu. Instead of separate table, we have a floor plate on which the T slots are provided to hold the work. So T slots இருக்கும் அதுல நம்ம work piece hold பண்ணிக்கலாம். So this is so designed for the holding very large and heavy work pieces which are difficult to mount or and adjusted on the bed. So table type one of the limitations இருக்கு. We can hold ஒரு particular level தான். ரொம்ப ஹெவியா இருக்கு, very large and heavy work piece அப்படின்னா we can use floor type. Another one reason is table typeல வந்து vibrations act ஆகிறது ரொம்ப ஹியூஜா இருக்கும். So இப்போ heavy work piece யூஸ் பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா vibration will be more. Then the bed is not advisable. So the entire factory floorல வந்து vibrations எடுத்துக்கும். So we can hold very large work pieces. A headset supporting column and the end supporting column are mounted on the runways, which are placed at the right angles to the spindle axis. Thus, any crosswise adjustments or cross feed movements are made by the spindle itself, or not by the work. Right? So, either crosswise movements, mean movements, இதெல்லாம் பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா நம்ம ஒர்க்லேயே பண்ணிக்கலாம். நம்ம இதில் பண்ண வேண்டிய அவசியம் இல்லை. ஏன்னா இது வந்து ரன்வேல ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணிட்டோம் அப்படின்னா ஒர்க் பீஸை வச்சு மூவ் பண்ணி, இந்த டேபிளை மூவ் பண்ணி, ஐ மீன் T slots அந்த ரன்வேல லைட்டாக மூவ் பண்ணி we can adjust. So, the next type is planet type. So planet type பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா we have a bed, but instead table type மாதிரி தான், it's similar to table type, but bedக்கு மேலே we have a 2 column in table type, but here we have a 2 different runways, right? So working principle is same. So we have a bed and we have a 2 runway and we have a 2 columns. One is a headstock supporting column, other one is a end supporting column. Headstock supporting column here is a headstock, spindle, quill. End supporting columns carries the bearing block. So the spindle we connected boring bar and boring cutter. Cutter is connected with any length at a required length la connect பண்ணிக்கிறோம். So the bed we have a T slots, right? So T slots it is used to hold the workpiece, right? So this is the one of the examples for planet type. Okay, so we can adjust, இதை மூவ் பண்ணிக்கலாம், இதையும் மூவ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். We have a runway. So planet type horizontal boring machine. This machine resembles the table type, but the table slides directly on the bed instead of on in saddle and the reciprocates at the right angles to the spindle. So it is similar to table type. Only thing இங்க வந்து பெட்லயே டைரக்டா இருக்கும். ஸோ சேடல் வச்சு அதுக்கப்புறம் டேபிள் அவசியம் இல்லை, இங்க பெட்லயே ஸ்லைட் ஆகிற மாதிரி செட் பண்ணிருப்பாங்க. The end supporting column and head supporting columns may be adjusted towards the away from the table for accommodating different width of the work, right? So the 2 columns, end supporting column as well as head supporting column, may be adjusted. So we can adjust to hold different width of the workpiece, right? So in order to hold different size of the workpiece, we can adjust 2 columns, end supporting column as well as head supporting column. So this type of machine is suitable for supporting a long work. So ரொம்ப long work we can use. So the drawing like தெரியும், the one is end supporting column, right? So this is the end supporting column. The 2 is column and base. So in the part வந்து it's a column and base. 3 table, 4 spindle, 5 headstock. 5 is the headstock supporting column. 6 is the headstock. 7 is the motor. So motor எதுக்காக இருக்கு அப்படின்னா headstock rotate ஆகிறதுக்காக. We have a bed called 8. Right? So the last type, multiple head type horizontal boring machines. So இதனா multiple head அப்படின்னா we have a I mean verticalaவும் இருக்கலாம், horizontal இருக்கலாம். So this machine resembles the double housing planer or a plano miller. So planning machine ஒன்று இருக்கு. So அந்த planning machine மாதிரி தான் ஒரு construction இருக்கும். So here we have a 2 columns, right? So 2 columns இருக்கும். இந்த 2 columns are connected with the another one cross rail, right? So 2 column இருக்கும். இந்த 2 columns-ஐயும் cross rail-ல connect பண்ணிட்டோம். அந்த cross rails-ல we have another one headstock here, right? So இங்க ஒரு headstock இருக்கும். So I can use headstock here, I can use headstock here, or I can use headstock here. So எனக்கு I can use multiple head வச்சுக்கலாம். அதுதான் வந்து multiple head type horizontal boring machine. So ஏன் horizontal boring machine சொல்றோம் அப்படின்னா majority of rotation வந்து it's horizontal. So அதனால தான் horizontal boring machine. But we can give the vertical feed also. So this machine resembles the double housing planer or plano miller. The table I supported on the long bed which is reciprocates. So table பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா ஒரு long bedல கனெக்ட் பண்ணிருப்போம். It is supported, right? It reciprocates. It can move. the two vertical columns are bridged by a cross rails. So ரெண்டு columns-யும் நம்ம எப்படி கனெக்ட் பண்றோம் அப்படின்னா cross rail-ல கனெக்ட் பண்ணிருக்கோம். The machine may have a 2, 3 or 4 headstock. So here I can use headstock 1, 2, 3, 4. So எப்படி வேணாலும் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். Multiple head, more than one headstock யூஸ் பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா we can say it's a multiple head. So the machine may have a 2, 3 or 4 headstock. This machine may be used for both horizontal as well as vertical machines. Again I said vertical ஒரு headstock இருக்கும். So vertical milling-ஆவும் பண்ணலாம், vertical boring-ம் பண்ணலாம். So this machine may be used for both horizontal and vertical machine. The machine operations can be performed simultaneously at different work surfaces. So the machine operations can be performed simultaneously at different work surfaces. So என்ன சொல்றாங்க அப்படின்னா நான் ஹரிசாண்டலா போர் பண்றப்பயே நான் அகைன் ஒரு கான்ஸ்டன்டா ஃபீலை கொடுத்துட்டு அது மூவ் ஆகிட்டே இருக்கு. அகைன் நான் வெர்டிகலாவும் மூவ் பண்ணலாம். So simultaneously I can perform different work surfaces. Right? So அதுதான் one of the advantages for multiple head. Why we say it's a multiple head in the sense here we are using more than one headstock. Okay, right. So up to this horizontal boring machines.